If you've ever wondered how to move your crypto off eToro and into your own external wallet, like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, stick around because today I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step without the confusion. First, you'll need the eToro Money app. This app is created by the same team behind eToro and it's designed to manage both your funds and your crypto. Once you download it, open the app and simply sign in using your regular eToro credentials. After logging in, you'll land on the cash section. Look at the bottom right corner and tap crypto. If you already have crypto in your eToro wallet, it will appear here automatically. If not, you'll just need to create a wallet and choose the crypto type you want to add. Now, let's say you already have some Bitcoin. Just tap the crypto you want to transfer. You'll see two options, send and receive. Because we're transferring crypto out of eToro, choose send. You'll now be on the main transfer screen. Start by entering the amount of crypto you want to send. You'll see your available balance displayed just below the amount field. For example, 0.255 BTC. You can manually type the amount or copy the exact balance. Next, enter the destination wallet address. You can type it manually, but that's risky. One wrong character and your funds could be permanently lost. The safest options are to copy and paste the wallet address from MetaMask or Trust Wallet, or tap the camera icon to scan the QR code if your wallet provides one. Once the amount and address are filled in, double check everything carefully. Then tap the blue send button. And that's it. Your transaction is on its way. You've successfully transferred crypto from eToro to your external wallet. If this walkthrough helped you feel more confident about managing your crypto, make sure to stick around for more practical tutorials. Thanks for watching.